Then you would use finely chopped onions. 1/3 cup finely chopped onions. You want to saute the onions. Putting in this olive oil. Now when you saute the onions, you don't want to make it caramelized. So it's 1/3 cup onions, yellow onions. So then you would put in the coconut cream. Then you would put 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Ooh. And you want to stir it. So stir it until it thickens. Let it boil. Okay, now that it's boiling, gonna put in the lemon juice. And you want to lower to medium and then simmer until the sauce thickens. For the vegetables, I'm going to saute carrots, squash, and zucchini. So after taking all the ends out, I want to slice it like diagonal. For the fish, I'm just going to make it really simple. Okay, for my fish, I have two different kinds actually. I have this swai, and then this is salmon. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bake them. I'm not going to grill it to make it simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drizzle with olive oil. And then I have this seafood, it's called seafood rub. I don't remember where I bought it, but I just saw it at the store. I must have bought it at the grocery store. So I'm gonna put this on here. You can season whatever you want to season, you know, thyme, rosemary, you know, it's up to you what you really want. So, and then I put in garlic salt. So after you sprinkle the seasoning, you want to set your oven 350 degrees, and you want to preheat at 350 degrees and then put in the oven around 10 to 12 minutes, and you just check it if it's cooked. You don't really want to overcook the fish because this gets really hard. So salmon might cook a little bit longer, but the swai, because it's thinner, might cook at 10 to 12, and you can just leave the salmon a little bit longer. So now I see that coconut cream is now reduced and it's thick, so I'm going to put my lemon zest on here and turn it off. So that's done.